Yeah, buddy, do a skip. Hey, boy. Ho, ho, ho! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. How awesome is that? Woo, 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 woo. Yeah! Ho, ho, ho. Those elbows. We got a flashing Grinch, and we've got Jesus on a skateboard. Brilliant. Oh ho ho! A little shredder at the back. Go on, Ben. He's gonna get back to the back rail again. He's gonna do the back rail again. Yo, no hander. James at the medic. Yeah, Billy.
Santa! Santa!
God, Trip. The Christmas fun.
Yeah, boy. Well, if it was on, you'd be disappointed, wouldn't you, to find out? Yeah, boy. Pile up. No! We got a doggy!
Welcome to the SkillsLoop annual ride, Christmas ride. Let's start again. Welcome to the annual Christmas ride. We're going to be heading over to the Trial Anywhere ramps very shortly. Just show you around a few of the lovely people. Have you guys been having fun?
We have.
Oh yeah.
How did it feel to win the 20% off voucher?
Incredible to win a 20% off voucher off the course that I was already going to book
Oh,
anyway. So
damn! You deserve it, mate. You deserve it. Let's go over to Mr. Trial Anywhere himself.
hello.
Hello. Thank you for bringing all of your fantastic ramps.
Pleasure.
Where can these people go and see those ramps, and even better, go and buy them?
Trialanywhere.co.uk.
Right.
Trialanywhere on Instagram and Facebook.
Super. Go and check it out. Let's go and say hello to Mama Bear. Hello. It's Philly. Hello. Let's have a quick look at baby. Come over, Tony. Come on, guys. Hey! Yeah, well done. Awesome. He's got it, he's got it. Oh, so close. Bye, James. Yeah, boy. Yay. Hey, you having fun? Yeah. You guys having fun? Hey, you having fun? Hey. Right, let's go and get some people smiles, eh? Yeah, boy. Yes, James. Go on, send it. Angus is going to choose the first number. So this is 4.
Keep getting in it.
So the first prize is 10% off the course. So
Choose well. No pressure.
1.
No, I haven't. I nearly did.
140.
Jesus.
The question is, can you add them together and get 30% off?
Congratulations, mate. Yes. Well, before you went away.